You're not going to believe what's inside this camper van. From the outside, it looks like your typical sleek 2026 shell. But step in, and it's like walking into a luxury apartment on wheels. This is not your average road warrior. This is the all-new 2026 Aurora LX, and what's packed inside will make you rethink what's possible for mobile living. And yes, it's actually within reach for real buyers. Welcome to Engine Explorer, and today, we're diving deep into one of the most jaw-dropping, yet surprisingly affordable camper vans to hit the market this year. So buckle up, because this review is going to open your eyes. Let's start with the interior, and I'm not exaggerating when I say it's stunning. Picture this: soft touch leather seating with diamond stitching, a fold-out queen bed with memory foam, ambient LED lighting that adjusts with voice control, and overhead cabinets with soft close tech straight out of a high-end condo. Then there's the kitchen. It's compact, yes, but absolutely loaded. We've got an induction cooktop, a dual-zone fridge freezer, built-in spice racks, and even a hidden dishwasher drawer. Oh, and check this out. The countertop extends at the press of a button, giving you almost double the prep space. Genius. And the tech? Let's talk about it. A 12.9-inch smart control panel handles everything: lighting, water levels, power usage, climate control. You even get app integration to pre-cool your van from your phone before you return from a hike. The Wi-Fi system is 5G capable, and the included Starlink satellite keeps you connected literally anywhere. Bathroom? You better believe it. Full wet bath with rainfall shower head, sleek matte black fixtures, built-in ventilation, and a composting toilet that doesn't smell. This isn't a tucked away in the corner experience. It's a bathroom that feels functional and modern. Now let's talk about storage. And this is where the Aurora LX surprises again. You've got underfloor storage, slide-out exterior lockers, a rear garage space that fits e-bikes, and even overhead compartments with gas struts. Every inch is used smartly. And yes, it drives like a dream. Built on a 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD chassis, this van is powerful, quiet, and smooth. With adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and even an AI-powered blind spot monitor, driving this thing feels safer than some SUVs. Now here's the part that shocked me: the price. Fully loaded, the Aurora LX starts at under $35,000. That is not cheap, but for this level of luxury, tech, and build quality, it's a steal. Other vans in this class are pushing $180K or more with fewer features. So who is this van for? If you want to travel in style, work remotely without compromise, or just live full-time on the road without feeling like you're roughing it, this camper van absolutely deserves your attention. Let me know in the comments. Could you see yourself living in something like this?